Many Nigerians believe that solar system only works when the sun is hot every day, and that's a misconception. But here is the truth. Modern solar systems are designed to work efficiently even when the weather isn't perfect. On bright sunny days, your solar panels generate excess energy which is stored in your batteries. During cloudy and rainy days, your solar panels absorb daylight because solar panels works with light and not heat. It all comes down to proper system design. That is why it is important to work with experts like the Jovix Limited. So, rainy season doesn't mean no light for solar users. It just means that your solar system needs to be designed right from day one. Visit the Jovix Limited. We are experts and integrity defines who we are.